Hello guys, welcome to this video. As you've already read from the title, I'll be unboxing Faber-Castell Polychromos 60 set. As you can see, I have already unboxed it, and believe me, I received this Polychromos in the similar bag like this. It was just Amazon printed everywhere in the bag. Rest the product arrived to me was in this plastic bag. No cardboard, no bubble wrap, nothing else. Nothing else. Literally, it like came in this kind of bag. So I was very disappointed during that time when the package arrived, and I wasn't sure whether or not the pencils would be saved or secure, because these are very expensive and very premium and nice colors, pencil colors. So I was very disappointed with the packaging, because before this I also recently bought Kohinoor Polycolor 48 set, which I did unboxing on other video. I'll be dropping the link down below in description and also mention it somewhere here. So you need to check that packaging. The packaging of Kohinoor Polycolor 48 set was so great. It was well wrapped in bubble wrap. It was very secure. It literally came in the whole cardboard box. I'll like insert the picture somewhere here. You can literally see the box, cardboard box. I literally had to cut it with the cutter, and it was very well wrapped in bubble wrap, and it was very secure and nice. And I was very shocked to get these in just polythene. Very disappointed with the packaging, and I wasn't sure how the colors would be. So let's just go ahead and quickly give my first impressions for these Polychromos. And this video will be about the looks of the pencils, the weight of the pencils, nothing else. I would be swatching them in the next video, just about the first impression. So let's just open it, see them, how these pencils are, and what will come inside this box. So it basically comes with this one pamphlet, which is about the Faber-Castell Albiture watercolors. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right or not, but this pamphlet is about the watercolor, the same artist range pencil watercolors from Faber-Castell. And I've heard some really good reviews about these. So I've really heard some good reviews about these also. I really want to try these in the future. As of now, I'm fine with these. And yes, it comes with this booklet. This is really nice quality. I'm sure it comes with every set of Polychromos. It just gives you some details about the Polychromos, I'm sorry. Some ideas and some techniques about blending. You have literally got the idea what I'm talking about. This is just a normal booklet which tells you more about the products from Faber-Castell, nothing else. So let's now talk about the pencils. I'm just loving these shades. The color of each pencils is like so good and so pretty. I am in love with them. They look really pretty, and I have really read some good stuff about these pencils. Really nice. All the lids are perfect in the first tray. None of the lids are broke. All the yellows and the reds are very pretty. I think they could have included more purples, but I need to check on the next tray whether more purples are available or not. But all the shades look so pretty. I'm really loving them. One of the best pencils, and I was having my eyes on them from a while, so I really wanted to get these pencils. So I bought them at a great deal from Amazon. The pencils are very lightweight. They are not heavy, and they are circular. No hexagonal shape or triangular shape or anything. But the pencils are really lightweight, and all the lids are not broken. Although the packaging was worst, I really like them. The tray is really nice. It's sturdy when you hold it this way. It's not shaky or no problem at all, I guess. And I really love the greens they have given. Again, I told you the purples they have mentioned are really less. In this set, I wish they could have given more shades in purples and blue, but I'm fine. So the greens I love. There are so many options in greens. So this is a really pretty color. Now my camera has finally focused, so I'll show you the lid, and it's really nice. I love this shade. Yeah, the shade is Coral 131 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and I was talking about this golden ribbon and the font which is in golden color. It gives really nice look to the pencil. I love the golden ribbon, golden band which they have given. They have really given some pretty red in this shade, as you can see. I love they have given great range of reds and yellows and greens. I wish they could have included more blues and purples, but I'm fine, no complaints. The browns are also very pretty. I love this brown shades, and the gray range is also awesome. So all the shades in this tray are also very pretty. No lids are broken, and I'm really like loving this. I haven't used any of these pencils yet. I'll be swatching them in the next video and will be giving in-depth and honest reviews in the next video. Drop the links down below in the description from where I bought these pencils. You should definitely check, but I will recommend not to buy this from the seller which I bought, because I let me show you one thing. I wanted to get a replacement for this product because of one major thing. As you can see, I have some dents. I'm fine with those dents, but this is fine. This hook, or I don't know what it is called, this is also fine, but this one is really in a bad condition. It's not able to, close this box properly. I tried to get the replacement of this product, but that was not available. The seller was out of stock with this product, so I was very disappointed with the packaging. I was very much disappointed with the packaging, and after packaging, this is what happens. So I completely lost it. Like I was very disappointed. I'm really excited to use them in the next video. I'll be swatching these pencils for the first time, and I'm really excited about that. I've really heard good things about these pencils, so I really want to see are they really that good or not. But let's just see in the next video. One more good thing about this product is that it comes with this open and close tray. You don't have to pick up the lid. So I really like this about this product, about the Faber-Castell thing. And I'll also show you what the lift up tray is. This is Kohinoor Polycolor 48 set. I recently bought this and did review and unboxing. I'll just drop the links of this product's review in the description. These are also good products. Yeah, so this is the pickup, this is the lift up lid. This is what I don't like. I'm not a big fan of this kind of trays, this kind of tin, but I really love the Faber-Castell one. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, drop down the comments what you think about this video, and that's it. Thanks for watching.